shit!
He's gonna hit him. Oh my god.
Video protected.
Oh my god.
Rangers get the win last night. Really good game overall. Pitching, the offense, just a really good team win.
What the?
I would go down the street and feel like everyone who looked at me could see what I was going through. Like they were peering into my soul, seeing the doubts and the f***ing. Like my eyes were these windows into the most tightly held secret of my life.
Good. At their last 10 seconds. Oh, holy. Oh.
Обнаружен маломощный радар. Контроль разметки. Ограничение скорости 60 километров в час.
What the f is he doing?
He's sleeping, babe! Stop! He probably fell asleep or something.
What?
He's not paying attention. Stop honking him. You're causing trouble, honey. Holy shit.
Wait. Run! Oh my goodness.
You look like me without a beard.
So the app really works then?
It does.
Oh my god. Oh man, he went on red.
Pero si no, mi mamá llega, me va a hablar. Entonces,
Me llegaron.
Use that as you will. So yeah, as you can see, our souls are going to be spread pretty thin this go around.
Video protected.
我靠！哦。
But it's amazing. Really? Oh, I love it. Yeah, I miss home so much.
Yeah.
Yo. Yo.
Yo, he gotta get out of there. Nah.
No, yo, put the phone down. Put the phone. Yo, get away from here. Get out the car, bro. Yo, gang, hurry up and get up out of there. Get up out of there. Yo, hurry up. Go through there. Go through there. No.
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 Video protected.
Wow, 佢冇諗住懟埋嚟啊！
Absolutely wholeheartedly believes that there needs to be legislation put in so that we do not miss a paycheck. You have the power to do that. And as a Republican, I'm very disappointed in my party, and I'm very disappointed in
video.
Whew. Oh shit. Whoa.
And Jenny, you have been reporting out of Nevada. So just to begin with, put that oral picture for us.
Come on, let's just make a small prediction. Yeah. You're not going to like where Embiid is at on everybody's list.
Well, often, you know, eventually, like, they calmed down. He built a lot of rapport.
The video.
Bruh. God damn.
911.
these super important chips. Like, is that what initially piqued your interest?
That's right.
Okay, so what did you find? Was it related, and how did they come about?
So as our team of reporters worked.
You good?
Yeah.
All right, airbags didn't go off, so that's the best part.
I guess this guy's got somewhere to be.
Holy shit.
Yo, get up tall. Get up. Get up tall. What the f?
Lone Star Toyota price at the legendary Lone Star Toyota in Louisville.
The Jack FM studios are sponsored by the Injury Lawyers.
Go to willwilkins.com.
That's AMAZIIIIN.com.
I hope you enjoyed today's video of 100 car crashes in honor of us reaching 100 subscribers. Thank you all so much for the support on the channel. It really means a lot. I'm excited to keep creating content for you and hope you find it entertaining and informative. Don't forget to buckle up, crash like, and stay safe out there.